Hello Sagittarius, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is Sagittarius for June the 14th to June the 17th. No? Sagittarius, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, nasa kabilang channel po yun, Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. At kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions again, or sa ibang reading, tignan po, nasa Babaylan TV din po yun. Now, Sagittarius, I wanted to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So, Sagittarius, simulan na natin. So, ang nakikita ko dito, chances are nagiging okay at nagiging parang kampante na kayo sa isa't isa ng person mo. No? To a point na medyo medyo mahirap pumasok sa isang relationship lalo na kung close ang family ties, no? Siyempre, madami tayong siguro mga naririnig na ayaw ka ni mama, ayaw ka ni papa, ayaw ka ng kapatid ko, ganyan, bla bla bla, yada yada. Pero, hindi tayo nagpatinag, you stayed, and I think that you have proven that their impressions of you were wrong. So, you have proven them wrong as well. So, ngayon, para nakakita ko na parang medyo okay na, no? Meron na mga high fives, hello na, no? Kumbaga, meron ka ditong sinasabi nating welcome ka na, no? Sa bahay. With the Knight of Pentacles, the Five of Pentacles, and the Ace of Pentacles. Although meron ng mga offers siguro, no? Bakit hindi ka na lang dito? Please stay with the Knight of Pentacles and the Five of Pentacles. Parang you said na, siguro dadalaw-dalaw ako, no, with the Knight of Pentacles, hindi pa rin ako masyado, baka ikaw rin to, Sagittarius, hindi pa ako masyadong ganon, no? Although I wanted to, pero hindi ko pa masyadong kayang iwan, no? Ang family ko with a Page of Wands, although but I am considering it. Probably you might be in a hard situation of leaving or staying, no? But I think it doesn't matter. Yung naging relationship mo with your person is going strong. What is the challenging part here is either you're going to stay there or bring your person, ipakilala naman sa inyo. With the Nine of Cups and the Moon card, so you're wishing that someday sooner, no, na medyo magkaroon ka na ng kaliwanagan, or probably this is more of lakas ng loob, to fully, let's say, make a decision. I think that you and your person are somewhat ready, but siguro this is more of emotions and separation anxiety, no? With your family, with the Knight of Wands, the Empress, and the Seven of Swords. Wow, I feel like you might also be feeling na siguro kailangan ko pang i-consider ang ibang time, or I need more time. Baka kasi merong third party, or baka dumating ako sa third party situation, baka hindi ko naman din kayanin, no? With the Three of Wands and the Queen of Cups, I feel like the Three of Wands and the Queen of Cups in here, siguro you're waiting for the right time, you're waiting also probably for a sign from the universe. I feel like somewhat nakikita mo na unti-unti ako nabubuo, unti-unti nabubuo ang pangarap ko together with my person with the Three of Wands in here. I feel like you're waiting, no, for your person to probably also make this or have this courage na parang mamanhikan, kunin ang iyong kamay, no, with a Hierophant, and the Three of Swords. What is this Three of Swords, the Ace of Cups, and the Star? I feel like ang inaantay mo rin talaga dito is, let's say, kulang na lang talaga dito is the either tradition, pamamanhikan. Tradition also probably sa mga I don't want to go into the religion itself. Siguro meron ditong yung mga practices na yung kailangan dowry ba ang tawag doon. No, I don't want to go into that, but those are some of the traditions. Siguro yung mga pamamanhikan na yan, no? And I feel like kailangan din magkakilala, no? What I'm seeing in here, Sagittarius, is things are getting better. Things are slowly, no? Na parang you're seeing yourself settling with the person. I also feels like you might be, I mean, probably both of you might be ready for something really serious, no, to happen. So this is your reading for now, Scorpio. Tignan natin ang zodiac sign ng person mo. So I am seeing Aquarius, I am seeing Pisces, Scorpio, Leo, no? Sagittarius, baka kapwa Sagittarius ito. Did I just mention Taurus? Yeah, Pisces, Scorpio, Cancer is here. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn is here. Yep, so this is your reading. Sagittarius, again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, nasa kabilang channel po yun, Babaylan TV. No? Kung gusto nyo pong sumali or makita yung ibang readings, nasa kabilang channel din po, pwede po kayong magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Kung feeling nyo po hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot lang, no? Meron po sa description box, no? Meron po dong link. All you have to do is to copy the link or click the link. You're gonna be routed to my page, type in your questions, and then click submit. Paki-follow na lang po yung instructions. So we also have a promotion of 4 questions plus 1. So that's discounted price po. And kung gusto nyo pong mag-avail ng ating private reading, nandun din po yan sa description box yung instructions. So, love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye, Sagittarius.